Let's talk about essentials of maintaining dental hygiene. There are basically 3 steps. 1. Brushing. 2. Flossing. And 3. Tongue scraping. Of course, we can add a mouthwash just prior to the first step and at the end of the last step, so making it 5 steps. But there are 2 types of mouthwashes which can be used. There is an antimicrobial mouthwash which is supposed to be used before, and there is an anti-cavity which is in the end. So if we have a 5-way regime, we start with a mouthwash. The moment we get up, we are supposed to gargle with a mouthwash. That's an antimicrobial mouthwash, followed by brushing. Now, brush has to be a soft or a medium bristle brush, and the motion of brushing is circular. It should be circular. Brushing is a technique which has to be followed 2 minutes in the morning, 2 minutes in the night, twice in a day. That's enough. 2 times a day is more than enough. But the brushing technique is very important. You should not be very harsh on your brush, and you should not be very slow on your brush also. You have to clean all the surfaces, whether they are the outside surface of the tooth or the inside surface of the tooth, or we call the occlusal surface. जहाँ से हम खाना खाते हैं, that is the occlusal surface. So particularly हमने दांत को हर तरफ से साफ करना है. That is the very essential part of brushing. In paste, we should use a fluoride toothpaste. It helps prevent cavities. Next step to brushing is flossing. Flossing helps us remove the interdental substances which are stuck interdentally, यानी कि 2 दांत के बीच में जो अटक जाता है particles, उसको साफ करने के लिए. उसके लिए we have a traditional string type of a floss जो हम दांत के बीच में डालते हैं, उस तरह से निकालते हैं, and we clean that and we gargle it off. Another type that is there is the one on a stick. There's a floss which is on a stick. So we clean it like this. It's easier. It's a little more easy step. Another type is an interdental brush. Now this is a very small, it's like a very small brush which goes right in between your teeth. 2 दांत के बीच में वो जाता है, and it is available in different sizes. So depending on the size of your in between teeth जो है, उसके हिसाब से आप interdental brush ले सकते हैं. इसका only problem is कि आपको तरह तरह के sizes लेने पड़ेंगे क्योंकि हर दांत के बीच में spaces different होते हैं. And there is a water floss, which is a very easy way. Water floss है, you just have to, it flushes off your particles like that. The third step, the mandatory third step, which is there, is tongue scraping, which is done with a tongue cleaner. They are available in plastic, in metal, in whatever form. The amazing thing is that most of the bacteria that cause infection or which cause anything, any kind of problems, is because of the food or the particle or the bacteria which is stuck on the tongue. So tongue cleaning is a very important aspect. And in case a person doesn't have a tongue cleaner, you can use a brush, or when you're traveling and you just forgot to carry your tongue cleaner, you can just take a spoon and clean your tongue like that. Just clean it off like that. And the last step, which is not again a mandatory step, is to use a mouthwash which is anti-cavities, so it prevents cavities.